Hello, I'm Tom Bandy, founder of BandyWorks. We've put together a book we call the C-Store Growth Mindset, Making Peace with Accountability. My partner Mason Cowan and I have worked a long time on this using the experience. Some people have 30, 40 years of experience. Some people are brand new. Both are very insightful in how to best run a C-Store. There's 5 principles of accountability that are the backbone of the growth mindset. Number 1, a lot of people refer to as culture. The principle number 1 is vision and mission. Principle number 2, Mason loves to talk about the alignment. Principle number 2 is teamwork, how we get everybody working towards the same vision and mission. Number 3 is very practical, the process, how we go about doing our work, the shift duties, the attitude, the training, everything that we do to make our store what it is. Number 4 gets into the data side. That's kind of my favorite area. The goals for our outcomes that we're trying to achieve, and probably more importantly, the KPIs, the behaviors and actions that we do to drive towards our goals. And number 5, what everybody thinks of when it comes to accountability is tracking and follow-up. When done correctly, and that's the only way we want to do it, it builds that teamwork and it makes everybody part of the process, and it's just wonderful. There's a few chapters here. We break them up with some simple tests to help you think and clarify your understanding, and some practical examples from people that are experts in their field. It's a great exercise. It won't take you too much time. We think it's a good use of your time. And when you get towards the end, you'll see the really advanced topics to put it all together. So how do you deal with those problems in the store and make it more fun and energetic for everybody? We're so glad you're here. Enjoy yourself and go help make your growth mindset a little bit stronger and a little bit more fun and enjoyable. Enjoy.